Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix World of Warcraft midnight game crashing or stuck on loading screen not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, crashing at startup or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to scan and repair game files. So for that, go to the Blizzard battle.net. Here you have to select your game. I'm showing you an example. Now after that, click on options and here you can see scan and repair. Click on it and here you have to click on begin scan. So this will perform a scan on your current game installation to identify missing or corrupt files. Once the scan is complete, a repair update may be required and will start immediately. So after the process is completed, now try to launch the game and then check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here click on firewall network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, don't worry, click on allow another app. Click on browse. Go to the game installation folder, select the game application, add the game application to the list over here. After that, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game again and then check. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the game installation folder. First go to the file explorer. Now go to the game installation folder. Here is the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4. Select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to battle.net, select the game, click on options, click on game settings, and after that, here you have to click on additional command line arguments and have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and then check if the issue is resolved. But if the issue continues, again come back, type -d3 d11 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues, again come back, remove the launch option, uncheck additional command line arguments, and after that move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics cards. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and update your graphics card from there. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. Or SCOD overlay, go to the settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just copy and paste it in your browser. So the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on a repair and then wait for some time. Now after the process is finished, close this, restart your PC and after that log into the game and check. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager. Now under process tab, search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, then right click on it and click on end task. After that, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, you have to go to the Windows search. Now search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive. After that select custom size. In initial size type 12288 and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next disable antivirus program. So if there is an antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it, and after disabling it, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. Now wait for some time, and if there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and then check. Next method is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game installation folder, select the game application, add the game application to the list. After that, click on arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall World of Warcraft Midnight game. So for that, go to battle.net, click on options, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch battle.net and finally reinstall World of Warcraft Midnight game once again and then check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix World of Warcraft Midnight game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.